Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Cursor and Windsurf. Cursor and Windsurf are both AI-powered code editors built on Visual Studio Code, designed to enhance developer productivity through intelligent code generation and context understanding. Cursor is an AI-powered code editor that helps developers write and edit code faster. It integrates smoothly with Visual Studio Code and supports smart code generation, rewrites, and task automation. The editor is designed for speed, making it easy to prototype and complete coding tasks quickly. It works well for small to medium projects through context retention and can sometimes be limited. Windsurf is an AI coding assistant that helps developers work efficiently on large and complex projects. It has a strong context awareness, so it can understand entire code bases and give accurate suggestions. You can program with it using an intuitive interface or let its cascade agent manage tasks automatically. Windsurf also remembers previous interactions, making its suggestions more consistent over time. In summary, if you prioritize advanced features and are willing to invest in a more sophisticated tool, Cursor may be the better choice. However, if you're looking for a user-friendly and cost-effective solution, Windsurf could be more suitable. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.